Hi all, welcome back to my lecture series. This is Muthuminal, Assistant Professor at the Department of Agricultural Engineering. Today we'll see the continuity of previous topic, radiative effects of greenhouse gases, that comes under the unit Earth's climate system under the subject climate change and adaptation for the students of final year 7th semester. Before going into the session, let us have a small recap what we have seen at the previous video series. What we have seen in the sense we have seen what is ozone layers, how well the ozone depleting gases impact greenhouse effect, what is the composition of the Earth's atmosphere, what are the traces of gases, what is greenhouse effect, how these gases have the ability to absorb thermal energy emitted by the earth and which may be utilized for warming the atmosphere, and this effect is said to be as greenhouse effect. And also what are greenhouse gases, on the other hand how these gases are so thermally potent, even proportionality small amounts can cause the earth's lower atmospheric temperature. Along with this, I have also shown you what is absorption of energy by greenhouse gases, and which greenhouse gas has a major absorption capacity, which we have come up with the solution that carbon dioxide has a major absorption capacity. Now we'll see about the energy balance. As you guys can see, about 50% of the solar radiation reaching the troposphere has been absorbed by the earth's surface, that helps us to warm up the earth's surface. Here, as I have shown here at the energy balance of earth, the sun's radiation including ultraviolet rays, visible and infrared rays, has been emitted from the sun. Most of the UV has been absorbed by the ozone at the stratosphere level itself. And what happens in the sense, some visible solar radiation has been reflected by the clouds. Some of the IR emitted by the earth is absorbed by gases in the troposphere, and also some of the radiation escapes from the earth and cools it down, balancing the absorbed solar radiation. So it resembles that most of the UV radiation that has been emitted by the sun has been absorbed by the ozone layer, because this UV radiation is prone to harmful defects to the human, as it can if it reaches the earth's surface, it is prone to cause serious diseases to the living beings. So this is how the energy is balanced by absorbing the solar radiation while reaching the troposphere itself. So, and here I have shown you the radiation balance. This pictograph represents that the reflected solar radiation has been caused due to the atmosphere, reflected by the surface, reflected by the clouds, aerosol, and atmospheric gases. After it gets reached, the radiation comes at the radiation level of 342 Wm per minus 2, and this will reach the Earth's surface, where the evapotranspiration takes place and the thermal energy is emitted by the clouds and emitted radiation takes place. After it reaches the surface, some of them will be dealt as surface radiation and some will be emitted by the clouds, and also most of the radiation that are available at the surface which are observed will be the greenhouse gases, that will be in the form of black radiation. So these are the greenhouse gases that are primarily available. The main gas that is primarily available is water vapor, that is said as H2O. The contribution of greenhouse effect is 60%. The second one is carbon dioxide, which gives about 26% to the greenhouse effect contribution. The third one is ozone, it is up to 8%, and the final one is methane, nitrous oxide and other, that reaches up to 6%. These are the common primary greenhouse gases that are contributing greenhouse effect. So now we'll see one by one what causes these emission of greenhouse gases. Here I have shown you a pictograph that what are the human effects. As you guys can see at the pictograph, the main cause is due to the pollution, air pollution caused by the vehicles, and burning away of the crop residues, and the production of rice at the agricultural field, then from the emission of development of concretes and burning of fossil fuels, etc., for the purpose of transportation. Some of the natural impacts are crop fire, forest fire, volcanoes, and these all will release n number of carbon dioxide that will affect the greenhouse effect. So this is what I have prepared for today's class. If you guys have any kinds of doubt in greenhouse gases or the impacts that would be caused at the surrounding environment, you guys can ping me anytime. By the next class, we'll see what happens, what are the gases that are available that will impact the earth's surface directly, and we'll see basically n number of greenhouse gases that are prone to contributing greenhouse effect and maintaining the balance of global warming. See you at the next class. Thank you.